Have you been looking for the perfect SUV with styling and safety that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Sprint in lunar white. With high-performance bi-xenon headlamps, infrared windshield, 18-inch aluminum wheels, active blind spot assist, lane departure warning with dual brake, exhaust tips, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6105.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.